Hey guys, this is Thor with the ATV Superstore. I'm going to give you a little tip today on the air conditioning system on the Kawasaki Ridge. Many of my customers have had this problem, and I've had problems with actually 2 of my 3 units. It's an issue with the Freon. When you get them from the factory, they're not always filled to the proper amount. So this is how you find out if it's good or not. So this is the driver's side of the Kawasaki Ridge. 2-door, 4-door are identical. That right there is your AC canister. On the very top of it, it's hard to see right now, is a little glass window. When you're running your air conditioning and that little glass window is bubbling, that means you're low on Freon. Now to find this out, you take your camera and you place it here and you film it. I will post that right now so you can see what it looks like. So now you know how to fix it. 1.28 pounds of Freon is all you need. Don't take it to Kawasaki. They're gonna keep it for weeks. Just take it to your local AC shop, pay the 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks, whatever it is, and get it done, and you'll be very happy. Again, 2 of the 3 of my units had this problem, and they've all been fine afterwards. Well guys, I hope this video helps you, and you guys have a great day out there, and enjoy that Kawasaki Ridge like I do.